Hi, kindergarten. I promised I'd be back with our color wheel, our color mice, and just like the rainbow, a color wheel is in rainbow order. And here I drew some mice for you, just like in mouse shapes, or I'm sorry, mouse color, so that we could color our mice in rainbow order. First, we're going to start with the primary colors, because if we don't have the primary colors, then we cannot make any other color. Our first one here is red, and the white mouse is looking at the red piece of cheese. He eats the cheese, and then he turns red. Red is a primary color. You cannot make red. Primary means one, number one. He's the prime, the primo, the number one boss. He's one of the three colors in the color wheel, in the rainbow, that is a primary color. Let's find our other primary colors. Go ahead and grab yellow, red. This is going to be orange later on, but we're going to skip him right now because he's not a primary color. And this yellow piece of cheese right here, well, this is yellow. The little white mouse eats the yellow piece of cheese, and now he turns yellow. I like to color in the same direction with slow, controlled motion because markers sometimes the ink takes a long time to come to the surface, to the tip of the marker. And when we color slow and in the same direction, we know that we are staying inside our lines. The ink has time to get to the tip of the marker, and we try to leave no white spots behind, and it looks really nice and neat. Our final primary color, we're going to skip this mouse, and we're going to go right here to this one. He's blue. I color my piece of cheese blue, and I color my mouse blue because he just ate the piece of cheese, and because he ate the blue cheese, he turned blue. Also trying to stay inside the line of the mouse, coloring the same direction to make sure I get rid of all those white spots. We're surely and slowly and surely making our color wheel mouse right now. The color wheel is a great tool. Now that we have our primary colors, our red, yellow, and blue, now we can make secondary colors. If the red mouse and the yellow mouse switched places and they each took a nibble of the other one's cheese, they would turn orange. And that's what's going to happen to the orange mouse here. He's going to eat orange, which is a mixture of red and yellow, and now he is going to turn orange. Orange is a secondary color. Orange is what happens when red and yellow mix together. Orange can be made. We can make orange, and that is what we're doing right now. We're going to pretend that the yellow mouse and the orange mouse got mixed together. They ate each other's cheese, and now this little orange mouse was made as a secondary color. Our next secondary color is green. Green goes in between yellow and blue because when we mix yellow with blue, it makes green. Green is also a secondary color. We color green in. We have one more secondary color to make, and I bet you can guess what it is. It's what happens when we mix red and blue together. Red plus blue equals my favorite color, purple. The mouse eats the purple cheese, and now he changes purple. Again, I'm still trying to stay inside the lines, taking my time to make my mouse look very well colored, nice and neat. Trying to get rid of any of those white spots that may have been left behind. So today we learned that we have three primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. we mix these colors together, we get secondary colors, orange, purple, and green. And we've also learned that we can make a color wheel, a circle, of the rainbow colors with our cool drawn mice. I hope you enjoyed this and you learned a little bit more about color.